Everything you have learned so far has you talking to AI. Asking an assistant to write, research, or build one request at a time, that is powerful. But it still depends on you showing up and doing the asking. In this chapter, we climb the final rung of the AI ladder where the real freedom lives. We are going to build your first AI agent. Remember the ladder. A tool is something you operate, an assistant is something you talk to, an agent is something you delegate to. An agent does not wait for you to ask. You set it up once and it handles the whole job on its own. Every day without you touching it. Here is how to think about an AI agent for your business. Imagine you hire a new employee. You do not just hand them a task and walk away. You write a job description. You give them context about your business. You tell them what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Building an AI agent is the same thing. You write a system prompt that acts as the job description. You give it context about your business. You tell it what to do, when to do it, and what tools it has access to. There are 5 AI agents every business needs. First, an executive assistant agent that manages your schedule. Second, a sales agent that follows up with leads. Third, a lead generation agent that finds potential customers. Fourth, a customer service agent for support. Fifth, a content agent that writes your social posts on a schedule. To build your first agent, start simple. Pick one repetitive task that you do the same way every time. Write a detailed system prompt that explains what the agent should do, how it should do it, and what tone to use. Then connect it to a scheduling tool so it runs automatically. You do not need to code. Tools like Make, Zapier, and Base44 let you build agents with drag and drop simplicity. Your action step: pick one task you do every single day. Write a job description for it. As if you were hiring someone, that job description is the foundation of your first AI agent. See you on the next video.